Hi guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial to show you how you can use Oracle ERP. First off guys, you have to create an account. So you select view accounts. After that you choose if you want to create a Cloud account or an Oracle account. So I'm going to create an Oracle account. So we click on it, we wait for a second. After that we're being redirected to to the sign up page. So here guys, we can see that we have to enter our email address, password. After that we have to retype our password. We have to enter our country, our name, our last name, our job title, work phone, company names, address, everything. So first we're going to enter our email address. This shouldn't really take that much. After that we are going to enter our password. After that we're going to retype our password. So okay, at least 8 characters long. So I think that the password needs the requirements. Okay, so everything is alright. So we have to retype the password right now. So everything is alright. Yes. So the country we're in is Bulgaria. Our name is Ned. Last name Tech. Job title boss. Let's say work phone. So that's it. Our company name is Ned Tech. After that our address is maybe I would say this. So guys, I think it shouldn't really take that much. The city is yeah, so everything is alright. We have to choose the state. Where is it? Here it is, Tarzagora, and the postal code is 62800. So right now we're going to create an account. No thanks. And so now we have to check our email to verify the account. So now we're going to head into Gmail. After that we enter the Gmail. So wait for a second. Here it is, the email from Oracle ACCT underscore. Now we click on the link and we're being redirected to the verification. So we click on continue and I think we should be redirected to the main page. Yes, here it is guys. So now we are in the site. Now we can click on view accounts. So now we can go on sign in. So yeah, so our username is usually our email address. As you can see guys, they have made the site really beautiful and everything is alright. For us just to log in for a second. Now we enter the password. Yes, and now we should go into the site, yeah? Here it is guys. View accounts, and here it is. This is the registered account, NetTech. So we are going to go in our profile. And here it is. So guys, Here you can customize again your name, your last name, your job title, like you can enter employee. You can select your country again. You can also edit your password. Here you can see your subscriptions. Here it is: Oracle subscription, Oracle Academy, and Oracle Security. Yes, and communities. Here you can join communities and different things. So there are tabs for products, for industries, resources, support, events, developer, and partners. If you really want some in-depth technical support, you can contact the sales. So you can click this button, and after that you can contact them. And guys, I think that this was a good tutorial for you guys to understand the basic things of Oracle ERP. And I hope I have helped you guys. And I'll see you guys around later.